Alrighty, Miss Wong is here again to give you the overview of week 4. Again, today I'm just going to stay on my launch pad because it pretty much looks the same. So again, we have iReady right here, Reflex Math, Reading Plus, Canvases right here. Those are the big things that you should know. Now I'm on my Canvas. I set up my modules. So when you go to my modules, you see that I'm going to make this disappear. So I'm only focusing on week 4. Week 4 I have from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again, I have Newsela on Thursday and Tuesday, and then Nearpod every day. So briefly, I want to remind everyone that you guys have to complete both iReady and Reading Math minutes, 60 minutes on both by Fridays. I've been missing some minutes, or you guys are not completing all the way through 60 minutes. Make sure you guys have both on that. And also you need to complete your Reading Plus 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 15 minutes each. Again, Reading Plus is down right here. One more, get your green light on Reflex every day. Green light. Okay, green light on Reflex Math from Monday through Friday every day. I am checking on that. Also, I want to remind you guys that you need to go on and complete your art, music, and PE classes. So I need you to complete art, music, and PE classes as well on top of what you guys are doing. You guys heard that you guys are not coming back to school anymore, so you guys really need to be on top of everything so you guys are getting the grade that you are deserving. Everything that you do counts as a grade. I reminded you guys about that. So all the directions, you know that it's on the announcement page. So all you have to do is click on the announcement page and then look at the list of must. Must needs to be done. May is if you have extra time. Okay. So with that, I know you guys are not coming back to school anymore. So you guys need to come in for virtual classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays, I know you guys need to come in at 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I will be teaching classes and playing some games with you guys. And also Thursdays from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So those are the time that you can come in and see my face and also see your friends' faces. So for you to do that, you guys know that you guys need to go to the conference button right here. And you guys, when I open it, your access will be granted, but it's right here, conference. One more thing I want to remind you is that I do my read alouds at 7 p.m. from Monday to Friday. That is every day. It's about 20 to 30 minutes. So I want to see you guys for that as well. We just finished the Mallory story, so we're going to read one more book of Mallory and then we're going to choose something else. So again, for the read alouds, you're going to come back on the conference button right here. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 p.m. for the read alouds. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.